Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to restore your purchase on Tinder app. To know how to restore your purchase on Tinder app, you will go to Tinder. In this page you can go to above and you can click on settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of restore purchase. And here in this page you can enter your confirmation number, and when you will add your number here, everything you want here, then you can click on submit. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.